one side, the industry benchmark, the GoPro Hero 13, or at least some people say that. On the other, the tiny new challenger, the Insta360 GO Ultra. But which is which? Insta360 has made some huge claims about its new sensor, so tonight we'll find out which one is the true king of low light. Hey everyone, Sarb here from the Tech Packer. So for years, GoPro has been the household name, the one to beat in the action camera world, but lately many would argue they might be slipping, and Insta360 has been pushing hard. We've already seen what their Ace Pro 2 can do. The real test tonight, the thing that could really shake things up, is whether their new teeny camera, the GO Ultra, can now step into the ring and challenge the legend. Let's see if it can. Alright, for this test we're moving. I'm walking at a normal pace to see how each camera handles both image quality and stabilization in a low light environment. Also watch for any motion blur or micro jitters from the stabilization. Which one looks smoother and more natural to you? Okay, for the next test, we're pushing both cameras to their absolute limit. This is a very dark environment and frankly a challenge for any small sensor camera. This isn't about seeing which one looks perfect. It's about seeing which one can still produce a usable image when things get really tough. At what point does the image fall apart? Which camera holds on to color and detail for longer? So the results are in. I think the footage really speaks for itself and you can draw your own conclusions about the comparison. What I need to talk about, and what has genuinely shocked me, is the performance coming out of the Insta360 GO Ultra. For a camera of this size, a camera you can wear on a pendant without thinking about it, to produce low light footage that is this clean, this detailed, is frankly a massive leap forward. It completely changes the expectations for what a tiny camera can do. This is our very definition of our thing. Portable gets powerful. It means you genuinely don't have to choose between a convenient tiny camera and a camera that performs beautifully when the sun goes down. The Go series isn't just a great small camera anymore. It's just a great camera, period. I'm incredibly impressed, but what do you think? Let me know which camera you thought looked better down in the comments below. My content on the Go Ultra is just getting revved up. Find my whole Go Ultra playlist up here, and there's always more to come. Get subbed and ding that bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you up here in the next one.